We can assume that you have used apple cider vinegar in a number of recipes, from pickles, pie to salad dressings. But, have you ever thought about drinking it? Maybe you will not believe it, but drinking apple cider vinegar before bedtime can significantly improve your health and life in general. Read these 10 benefits and find out more how apple cider vinegar can help you. 1. Weight loss. According to many studies, obesity is closely related to a lack of sleep. The more weight a person has, the more sleep problems will have. Apple cider vinegar has the ability to prevent the accumulation of fat and reduce the appetite. It contains a compound known as pectin, which makes your brain feel more satisfied. So, if you are feeling hungry before bedtime, apple cider vinegar is your solution. Instead of reaching for a chocolate bar or cookies which contain a lot of fat, just mix 1 teaspoon of ACV with a cup of water and drink it. 2. Treats a sore throat. The bacteria responsible for a sore throat can't thrive in the acidic environment created by ACV. Moreover, apple cider vinegar has powerful antibacterial properties. Take 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and swallow it an hour before going to bed. Swallow another teaspoon 30 minutes later, then another one just before going to bed. 3. Hiccups will be gone. Apple cider vinegar can stimulate the nerves in the throat responsible for the hiccups, due to its bitter taste. This will make the nerves to forget the need to hiccup. Take 1 teaspoon of organic apple cider vinegar and swallow it. 4. Relieves stuffy nose. ACV has rich content of magnesium, potassium, and vitamins B1, B2, A, and E, which can thin mucus and clear the sinuses. In order to get a quick relief, you should mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and drink before going to bed. 5. Treatment of acid reflux. Apple cider vinegar has the ability to restore the acidity of your stomach. Just mix 1 tablespoon of it with a glass of water, and drink it 1 hour before going to bed. 6. Bad breath. The bacteria in the mouth can be the reason for your bad breath in the mouth. As we said before, ACV can kill the bacteria, thus keeping your mouth fresh. You should take 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar before bedtime. 7. Reduces stomachache. Apple cider vinegar can help you to forget those sleepless nights caused by your upset stomach. You will no longer have the problems with cramps and gas. Mix 1 teaspoon of organic ACV with a cup of warm water, and drink it before going to bed. 8. Prevents indigestion. Insomnia is closely related to indigestion. Apple cider vinegar has the ability to help you in the case of bloating and nausea. Mix 1 teaspoon of ACV and honey in a glass of warm water and drink it half an hour before going to bed. 9. Reduces nocturnal leg cramps. The lack of potassium is considered as the main cause of sharp pain in the legs. Fortunately, apple cider vinegar has rich content of potassium which can reduce the cramping and restore the balance of your body. Mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of warm water and drink it before going to bed. 10. Lowers blood sugar levels. High level of blood sugar is the second most common cause of insomnia. Apple cider vinegar can increase the insulin sensitivity, thus reducing the blood sugar. You should regularly take 2 teaspoons of ACV before going to bed. Note: if you use medications for diabetes, you need to consult your doctor before using apple cider vinegar.